Hi everyone, it's Femelanio here, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get 2000 HAMSTER tokens for free on the Bybit app. Now, I'm very sure if you're into crypto, you know that the HAMSTER token is launching very soon. A lot of people have been mining it, and a lot of people are hoping to get the airdrop very soon. So if you're interested in getting the HAMSTER token for free, make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss any important information. Now, I'm not going to be wasting any of your time. I'll go straight to the point. Now, the first thing you want to do is to click the link in the description of this video. That is the first link in the description of this video, or you click the link in the comment section of this video. That is the link that will allow you to get access to the HAMSTER tokens for free. Now, before you go ahead and click on the link, make sure you watch this video to the end so you can understand the other steps. Now, once you click on the link, it will bring you right here to this page on the screen. You can see the Bybit logo at the top. You can see the HAMSTER Combat token logo also right here. And if I scroll up, you see where it says deposit to earn 2000 HAMSTER in rewards. So like I said, you'll be getting 2000 HAMSTER tokens from Bybit. And then you can see where it says a partner has invited you to unlock time-limited rewards. So this means that you are using a partner's link, a Bybit partner's link, which is my link for this. So this means that you can only get access to these HAMSTER tokens if you are using a partner's link, a Bybit partner's link. So that's why I'm saying that you have to use the link in the description of this video or the link in the comment section. That is the link that will allow you get access to this. And then you can see where it says sign up to unlock rewards. But before you sign up, there are some things I want you to know about this. The first thing is that the event ends in 1 day, 17 hours. Now, for your information, Bybit is opening this for just 2 days. So this started some hours ago. So that's why I'm making this video now. And I'll post it immediately so you guys can have time to be part of this. So they're only opening it for 2 days. And it started just some hours ago. So it will end in 1 day, 17 hours. The next thing I want you to know is that this offer is exclusively available to new users who sign up on Bybit after 2024 September 24. So this means that Bybit is only doing this for new accounts or new users on the app. So if you are just creating your account or you've just created a new account after September 24, then this is for you. Now, the next thing is that rewards are limited to 250 eligible participants on a first-come, first-served basis. So act fast. What I'm trying to say right here is that only 250 people will be given these 2000 HAMSTER tokens, so you need to act fast. So that's why I'm making this video now. I'm posting it immediately so you guys can have access to this. So now that you've seen that, the next thing is how do you participate in this? Now, the first step is to sign up. You can see where it says register with a Bybit partners invitation link, which is the link in the description of this video and the comment section. So once you click the link, make sure you go ahead and sign up. I will still show you how to sign up in this video, so make sure you continue watching. The next step is to complete the task. So they're only giving you one task for this. It is not something hard, just one task. And the task is to deposit at least $100 within 7 days of receiving the task. So within 7 days of creating an account and receiving the task, make sure you go ahead and deposit $100. But how will you receive the task? How will you know that you can go ahead and deposit the $100? So once you create your account through this link, go ahead to your Bybit app. So this is the Bybit app right here. Then click on where you have Rewards Hub. Now, once you click on Rewards Hub right here, you will see the task on your screen right here. The reason why you're not seeing anything is because I'm not a new user and this is not a new account. But if you just created your account through my link and then you created after September 24, then you'll be seeing the task right here. And again, the task is just for you to deposit $100 within 7 days of receiving the task. Now, once you've completed the task, the next thing is to await task verification. It says, please allow up to 14 days for us to verify task completion. Now, what this means is that it will take Bybit maximum of 14 days for them to verify your deposit. Now, you might be saying, do I have to now wait for 14 days before they will verify my deposit? No. They can verify your deposit within 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, and so on. But they are only telling you that the maximum it will take is 2 weeks. And this is because for some people who might deposit maybe 6 days later, 7 days later after they receive the task. I hope you understand. But if you receive the task and you deposit immediately, they should verify your deposit within 2 days or 3 days. So it won't take up to 14 days. I hope you understand. They're just putting it there that the maximum it will take is 14 days. For those that maybe they will deposit very late. Now, the last task right here is to claim your rewards within about 14 days after the event ends. So once task completion is verified, you can claim your rewards in the rewards hub. So once they've verified your deposit within 14 days, just go to the rewards hub page. So again, this is the home page of the app and this is the rewards hub. So once you click on the rewards hub page, that's where you can claim your rewards. So now that you've seen the steps on how to be a part of this, the next thing is to tell you about the terms and conditions. Now you can see right here, the first one is users must complete identity verification level 1 to participate in the event. This means that you must have done your ID verification, so you can verify with any kind of ID that you have. You'll see the options when you are creating your account. So make sure you verify your account immediately after creating it. The next one is sub accounts are not eligible for this event. The next one is limited guarantees of rewards are available on a first come first served basis for 250 users. I already explained this earlier. The next one is users whose accounts are under risk control review cannot receive rewards. So if your account is under any kind of review, you cannot be part of this. The next one is eligible deposit methods include one-click buy, P2P trading, fiat deposit, and crypto deposit. Eligible deposit do not include bonuses or coupons of any kind or deposit from one Bybit account to another. Now, take note of this. If you are depositing from another Bybit to your own Bybit account, you are not eligible for this. So the only one that is eligible is one-click buy, P2P, fiat deposit, and crypto deposit. So if you are depositing through P2P, you can go ahead and be part of this. And in case you don't know how to deposit via P2P, I have a video on that. I'll put that link in the description of this video too. And also you can transfer the $100 from another crypto app to your Bybit app. Make sure it's not from Bybit to Bybit. So that's what they are trying to tell you. And if you have access to fiat deposit in your country, you can go ahead and deposit directly from your banks. The next one is all participating users must strictly adhere to the Bybit terms of service. Bybit reserves the right to disqualify any participants who engage in dishonest or abusive activities during the event, including bulk account registrations to farm additional bonuses and any other activities in connection with unlawful, fraudulent, or harmful purposes. What they are trying to tell you right here is that you shouldn't try to create multiple accounts just because you want to get these HAMSTER tokens. Just create just one new account with your identity and go ahead and follow the steps. And also it says Bybit reserves the right to modify the terms of this event without notifying users in advance. Bybit reserves the right of final interpretation of this event. If you have any questions, please contact our customer support. So make sure that you go ahead and read everything on this page. Now, once you have understood everything, how do you sign up? So you can see where it says sign up right here. Just click on it. Or if you scroll up, you see where it says sign up to unlock rewards. You can click right there, anyone. So once you click on it, it will show you this on your screen. Then you click on sign up right here because it's a new account. Just click on sign up. And then once you click on sign up, enter your email address, your password, and this is the referral code. So the referral code showing on your screen must be 41557. So once you've entered your details, click on create account. And once you've created the account, verify your account and go to the rewards hub page and go ahead and deposit $100 via P2P, or you can transfer from another crypto app to your own Bybit account. And once you've done this, within 14 days, you should get your HAMSTER tokens in your rewards hub. Now, make sure you go ahead to the rewards hub to claim your rewards. Don't forget that. So if you have any question about this, please let me know in the comment section of this video. I will answer every question. Don't forget, this ends in 1 day, 17 hours. I'll be posting this video immediately after recording it now. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye.